What is the right pronunciation for C? Let's find out. Hi there and welcome to my channel. I am Carlo and this is my class for beginners. In this video we are going to talk about the different sounds of the letter C and how are they formed. This video is part of a series aiming at improving your pronunciation. If you like it and you want to stay updated, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. And now, the letter C. Are you ready? Let's get started. The letter C has two possible sounds, a hard sound and a soft sound. Let's see how to distinguish between the two of them. When C is followed by A, O, U, we have a hard sound, K. Let's see some examples. Calcio, cacao, caffè, colore, como, cocco, cuore, cultura. Also, when C is followed by the letter H, we have a hard sound. Some few examples. Chi, chiave, chiesa. Conversely, when C is followed by E, we have a soft sound, Ci. Let's see the examples. Ciao, cinema, cena, celeste. What happens if there is an S before the letter C? Well, nothing changes because the letter S doesn't change the way we pronounce the letter C. Let's see a few examples. Scarpa, sconto, scultura, sciarpa, scena. That's it for this video. I hope you like it. That's it for this video. Please share it, like it, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.